made possible by the Blas F. Ople Policy Center and Training Institute, co-presented by Sun Life Philippines. Now, what makes this event even more special is the fact that it comes just days ahead of the National Migrant Workers Day on June 7. Now, this annual observance is a reminder of the significant contributions, sacrifices, and unwavering dedication of our OFWs. In fact, they are one of the pillars of our economy. Just last year, they contributed around 8.4% to the country's gross domestic product or GDP. Imagine, record high last year, the remittances from OFWs that amounted to 38.34 billion US dollars. Now, it's a day really, June 7th, to honor their resilience and reaffirm our commitment to their well-being. But let's face it, not every OFW who's toiling overseas gets to live a life of stability. In fact, for most of them, the dream still is to come home for good and live a sustainable and financially secure life here in the Philippines. So that precisely is why Sun Life and the Blas F. Ople Policy Center are joining forces to explore innovative solutions that will help OFWs achieve financial security. Now, the Global Pinoy Health and Financial Wellness Day is a two-part event. We will still have our program in the morning that will officially launch the partnership between Sun Life and the Blas F. Ople Policy Center. And later in the afternoon, we will be opening our expo where we'll be having a variety of booths, activities, and talks dedicated to health and financial well-being for our kababayans abroad. Now, we are truly excited for the program, the lineup of speakers that we have for you today. So to officially commence our program, we would like to welcome Ms. Carla Gonzalez-Chong, Chief Client Experience and Marketing Officer of Sun Life Philippines, for her opening remarks.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, to our esteemed partners from the Blas F. Ople Policy Center and Training Institute, to our distinguished guests from the Department of Migrant Workers and the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, to our friends from the media, and to all our guests who have made time for our event. Maraming salamat po for gracing our event today. First off, it is truly an honor to be here with you as we kick off the Global Pinoy Health and Financial Wellness Day. This gathering is a declaration of our shared commitment to the very people who powered our nation's progress and nurtured their families from afar. Our modern-day heroes, the overseas Filipino workers. As we approach National Migrant Workers Day on June 7, it serves as a reminder of the sacrifices, the resilience, and the dedication of our OFWs. They are the backbone of our country's economy and of the countless Filipino families who rely on them. For many OFWs, the dream of a brighter future has taken many of them across oceans and continents. They pour their hearts out and hard work into building a better life for their families back home. And this brings us to ask, kung sila ang nag-aalaga sa kanilang pamilya, sino ang nag-aalaga sa kanila? At Sun Life, our purpose has always been to help Filipinos achieve lifetime financial security and live healthier lives. This applies to all Filipinos, no matter where they are in the world. It is our goal and our commitment to take care of our overseas Filipino workers and help them conquer the unique challenges that they face while they are away from home. This is why we have a comprehensive program that is dedicated to supporting overseas Filipinos and their dreams to come home for good. That is the Shine Pinoy program. Sun Life is here to help our overseas Filipino workers and of course their families too to live healthy, prosperous, and secured lives. With the Shine Pinoy program, they can plan their retirement, protect their hard-earned money, and plot their journey to come home for good. As we celebrate our 130th year in the Philippines in service of all our Filipino kababayans, we strengthen our commitment to be their partner for life. And our dedication to the health and overall well-being of our OFWs is the driving force of our partnership with the Blas Ople Policy Center and Training Institute. They have long been a champion of the rights and welfare of our OFW Filipino workers. Their deep understanding of the migrant worker community perfectly complements Sun Life's expertise in comprehensive health and financial protection. We are excited for what lies ahead with this meaningful partnership. We hope today's event will bring you valuable insights and inspiration. Let's continue to work together to build a healthier and brighter future for all OFWs and their families. Mabuhay po ang mga OFW at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Help them live that stable life as well, even as they take care of their families. Again, thank you very much, Ms. Carla Gonzalez-Shaw of Sun Life. Now that we've heard from Sun Life, let's try to hear from their partners from the Blas Ople Center and Training Institute. Let's welcome for her keynote message, Mrs. Estel Ople Osorio, President of the Blas Ople Center and Training Institute.
Our greetings from the Blas Ople Policy Center, and thank you for joining us today. To our partners from Sun Life, especially Ms. Carla Gonzalez-Shaw, Chief Client Experience and Marketing Officer of Sun Life Philippines, and our friend and longtime partner, Mr. Kari Kasipit, Head of Client Segment Marketing. To our friends in government, I believe DMW Secretary Hans Kakdak is on his way, and also Deputy Administrator of OWA, Attorney Mary Melanie Quino. Also, thanks for attending to our media friends, and most of all, and I see a lot of you in the audience, some coming from far, far away, to our dear OFWs and their families. This day is for you. What we are signing today is more than just a memorandum of agreement. It's a promise between Sun Life and the Ople Center to walk alongside our modern-day heroes in their journey toward a better, more secure future. Hindi kasi sapat na marunong kumayod. Dapat marunong din tayong mag-ipon at magplano. Our OFWs leave home with nothing but courage, faith, and a dream. Every remittance they send is an act of love and sacrifice. But we all know, money sent home can disappear quickly without the right knowledge and tools. That's why financial education is so important. It's not just about budgeting. It's about building a future. One that doesn't depend on luck or constant sacrifice, but on smart choices and preparation. Ang bawat padala may kasamang dugo at pawis. Sayang kung mauuwi lang sa wala. This afternoon or this whole day, we take things even further with our Global Pinoy Health and Financial Wellness Day. Because we believe real empowerment doesn't stop at teaching about money. We need to care for our OFWs' physical and mental health as well. Pera at kalusugan, yan ang tunay na tambalang panalo. Our goal is simple, to give OFWs the knowledge and the tools they need, not just to thrive, but also, not just to survive, but also to thrive. Whether they're working in the Middle East, Europe, Asia, or here at home, they deserve to know how to protect their earnings, invest wisely, and take care of themselves and their loved ones. To our partners at Sun Life, thank you for your trust and your heart for our migrant workers. You've chosen not just to do business, but to also do good. Kapag nagsama ang puso ng NGO at resources ng private sector, mas malayo ang mararating natin together in empowering OFWs and their families. To the media, please help us amplify this message. Financial literacy and health awareness should be part of every OFW's journey from departure to return. And to our OFWs, this is just the beginning. You have given so much to the world. It's time the world gave back by helping you take control of your future. Hindi ka forever kasi abroad, pero pwede kang forever handa. Maraming salamat and mabuhay ang bawat global team.
And more secure future. Ika nga rin yan. Pera at kalusugan. Yan ang winning tandem to ensure that they're going to have a stable future, especially once they decide to stay here in the Philippines once again. Now, this time around, let's dive deeper into the practical solutions that Sun Life has in store for our kababayans overseas. And to do that, let's welcome Mr. Gary Casibig, Head of Client Segment Marketing at Sun Life Philippines, to talk more about this.
Jump tayo. Excited yung Victoria nila. Okay. So, excited kami to share this day with you. No? As mentioned, we are celebrating the Migrant Workers Day. Advance po tayo on Saturday. Okay? Pero, alam natin, na sanay tayo na tayo ang nireregaluhan. Tayo ang pinapadala ng ating mga OFWs. Pero maganda yung sinabi kanina, sino ang nag-aalaga sa nag-aalaga? Okay, again, this is to remind everyone, ang misyon hindi umalis. Hindi lang ang pag-alis. Ang misyon ay ang pagbabalik. Yun ang isang napaka-importanting elemento na lagi natin nakakalimutan. Excited umalis, pero hindi napapaplanuhan kung paano sila babalik. At ito po ay isang konkretong paraan o solusyon na napag-isipan natin. Excited po kami kasi hindi lang po ito isang event, ito rin po ay isang pagtatanghal o pagtataguyod ng isang solusyon na maaaring makatulong sa ating manggagawang Pilipino. So, sino ang nag-aalaga sa kanila? Let me share sa inyo yung ginawa naming programa or solusyon. Ano maganda to? Bakit ito exciting? Kasi aside from a solution that will be being presented to you, we came up with a solution. Pero ang kapartner po namin to co-create this solution ay ang mismo OFWs. So sa Sun Life po, we have a lot of OFW clients. And we did a lot of workshops with them. Ano ba talaga yung pinagdadaanan? Ano yung makakatulong? It may be simple for us, but for them, napaka-importante ng mga solusyon na ilalahat natin sa inyo. Next slide, please. Okay. Napakahalaga sa OFW yung partners. Sabi ko nga kanina, aalis sila, pero mahalaga yung partners na naiiwan. Kasi sila ang magbibigay ng hudya na pwede ka na umuwi. Lagi natin sinasabi, meron ba mga tumatagap na rimita na nagsabi, honey, huwag ka na mapadala, sumobra pa yung padala mo ng huli eh. Hindi mangyayari yun eh. Diba? So dito sa programa nito, sinasabi natin, importante yung partnership. At dito sa solusyon na ito, ang sinasabi natin, kung paano, next slide please, kung paano yung detalye ng kanilang pag-uwi. Ayan. As mentioned, this is the first OFW health insurance product in the market. Okay, maraming mga programa. Ano yung pinagkaiba nito? Okay, ano yung pinakaiba nito? As mentioned, this is co-created by OFWs themselves. Ito po ay nag-join forces po kami para pag-isipan ano yung kailangan at mahalagang matugunan sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga nag-abroad. Number 1 po, yung comprehensive health insurance coverage with critical illness. Bakit? Napakaraming nababalita ngayon na kapag po nagtrabaho ng napakatagal na panahon, pero dahil sa isang maluhang karamdaman, nauubos sa mga naipundar. So napakahalaga po na maproteksyonan hindi lamang yung pamilya, but yung mga pondo na napaghirapan. Pangalawa, napag-usapan din namin yan. Paano po pag umalis ako? Yung kontrata ko, kung seafarer ka, 3, 6, 9 months, kung ako'y land-based naman ay 1 year, 2 years. Paano mo mapapatuloy yung programa? Gumawa po kami ng paraan na kung saan pwede mo isabay yung pagbabayad mo ng policy mo sa kontrata mo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pagsampa, pagbaba, tapos na. Pwede mo simulan ng maliit at unti-unti i-build mo yung pondo mo. So, doon ay isang mahalagang aspeto na hinahanap ng ating mga OFW. Pangatlo, 24-hour teleconsult value-added service. Bakit po? Hindi pa kasi ayaw na hindi makapag-TO. Masama na pakiramdam, hindi pa makapag-TO. Bakit? malayo yung pupuntahan, hindi makakonsulta, at sa may mga pagkakataon na naman pwede makausap. Okay, yung mga medical facilities, minsan, balakid din yung lingwahe. Okay? Ako yung naging OFW for 7 years at isa rin po rin sa mga concern. Hindi kayo magkaintindihan ng mga medical professionals kung nasa ang bansa ka man. Kaya ito po yung isang solusyon na napag-isipan at natugunan ng OFW Health Protect. Okay? So bukod po doon, ito po yung bumubuo ng solusyon para sa ating mga kababayan OFW. And bukod po doon, nabanggit ni Carla kanina, buo po yung programa. Hindi lamang po ito isang produkto, ito po isang solusyon. Okay, at pinaghandaan din po natin yan. Makikita po natin may OFW Health Protect at meron din po programa na kung saan may financial literacy. Ito po ay binibigay ng ating OFW Shine Pilay program. Okay? So ito po ay learning series, mga events, mga wellness program na kung saan ang pamilyang OFW nationwide ay pwedeng lumaho. Ito po hindi isang event lamang kada taon. Ito po ay tuloy-tuloy na ginagawa ng Sunlight nationwide. At pangatlong elementong napaka-importante po, makikita niyo po doon sa likod ang aming mga financial advisors. Ang financial advisors po ng Sunlight na tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng OFWs ay dating OFW, dependent ng OFWs. Sila po ay welcome na sumama sa misyong ito at marami na po kami sa Sunlight na advisors namin ang tumutugon sa misyon na ito na kung saan patuloy na ito natuturo. So sila po ay properly trained on how to do financial planning para sa ating mga kababayan at sa kanilang mga family members. So again, ito po ay napakagandang oportunidad na magsama, mag-join forces, hindi lamang po ang Blast Off Policy Center, hindi lang po ng Sunlight, maging ating mga government institutions na nangangalaga sa mga manggagawang Pilipino. So, maraming po salamat, magandang